Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an online tutoring platform with Chegg step by step clearly. Start by identifying your target audience. Research the subjects and topics that are in high demand. Create a detailed plan outlining your platform's features and functionalities. Decide whether you will offer live tutoring, recorded sessions, or both. Choose a reliable domain name that reflects your tutoring services. Register the domain and select a suitable web hosting provider. Install a content management system, such as WordPress. Select a user-friendly theme that accommodates educational content. Install necessary plugins for scheduling, video conferencing, and payments. Design your homepage to highlight your unique selling proposition. Create a clear navigation menu for easy access to different subjects. Develop detailed profiles for each tutor, including their qualifications and expertise. Incorporate a review and rating system for students to evaluate tutors. Set up a registration process for both tutors and students. Explore integration options with Chegg for supplemental educational resources. Create a secure payment system to facilitate transactions. Offer various pricing models, such as pay-per-session or monthly subscriptions. Develop marketing strategies to attract students, using social media and online ads. Create content for a blog that provides valuable insights and tips for students. Launch your platform once everything is in place and tested. Gather feedback from initial users to improve the service. Regularly update content and features based on user needs and industry trends. Monitor your platform's performance with analytics tools. Continue to refine your marketing approach to reach a broader audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.